Before using the Victory Innovations Electrostatic Handheld Sprayer, make sure you're following Personal Protective Equipment (PPE) guidelines as stated by the Chemicals Master Label, Product Label, and Safety Data Sheet. The personal protective equipment worn in this video may not be representative of your chemicals requirements. Always consult and adhere to the instructions outlined in the Safety Data Sheet for your particular chemical. When spraying with a handheld sprayer, remember to keep a firm and constant grip on the grounding strip along the handle. Double-check that the electrostatic button on top of the unit is switched to On in order to get the electrostatic benefits of the sprayer. When you first pull the trigger, it may take a few seconds for the pump to prime with solution. Continue to hold the trigger until you reach a consistent spray pattern. The optimal spray distance is 2 to 3 feet from the surface you are aiming to spray. Spray in an S-like pattern from the top to bottom of the surface you're spraying. Avoid walking into spray pattern or stepping on surfaces that have already been sprayed. Do not wipe chemical solution droplets away from the surface being sprayed, as this will stop the chemical's efficacy process before it is complete. Instead, select the correct nozzle setting for your chemical solution's dwell time and allow the solution to air dry on its own after spraying.